Hello, my name is Diego. I'm from Guatemala. I'm the student shop lead here at the Mechanical Engineering Student Shop, and I'm a junior. So today I'm going to do a quick walk around. I'm going to show you our machine shop, all the things that we have around here. So first we got these two lathes. These are used to machine round parts. You can make some pretty big parts on this one. They're really good to learn. Nice and easy to use. If we keep walking this way, this is the sintering oven for the Markforged metal 3D printer that we have upstairs. We're gonna show you that later. So after the parts are printed, they come out like this. They're called gray parts. So this feel like resin. And then after we put them in the oven, they turn into actual metal solid parts. It just melts away all the wax and makes them fully metal parts. Then over on this side, we have our CNC mill. This one is really good for making any parts out of metal, plastic, or any complex geometries. You can run this. This has 3 axes. Then we also have 2 manual mills. These are fully operated by the person. They're really capable to make really more basic parts, whereas the CNC can do more complex shapes with like round edges and everything. Now if we go upstairs, we got the 3D printing area up there. Okay, up here we got our 3D printing area. Currently we have 2 Stratasys machines. These are FDM 3D printing. So they do layer by layer printing. There's many materials we can use. They're all right there in the racks. So we have ABS, polycarbonate ABS, some flexible materials, TPU, all of that. These are very capable machines to make complex parts that cannot really be machined. So the students usually just send us the 3D models and we can fabricate a bunch of different parts for them out here. We also have this one. This is called an SLA 3D printer. This is good for fabricating more greater detail parts. I actually have a sample right here. So it can create some very complex geometries with a lot of detail. What it does is it grabs a pool of resin and it goes with a laser doing layer by layer. And then finally we have our newest machine right here. This is our Markforged metal 3D printer. This one can print stainless steel, copper, tool steel, a bunch of different things, and it's really a game changer because with the mills and the lathes, you can create some very complex geometries if you're really skilled. But it takes a lot of time setup and like rotating the material and processing. With this one, you can create pretty much any type of geometry. Just send it here, print it, and have it in your hand in less than a week. Yeah, I think that's pretty much it.